In Japan, there are restaurants called Koryoria. This is a restaurant where you can enjoy home-cooked meals, beer, and sake. The fish stew I ate today was very delicious. Today I will show you a basic fish stew. Combine the seasoning for the cooking of the fish. 200 ml of water. 3 slices of ginger. 2 tablespoons each of sake, mirin, and soy sauce. Bring to a boil before adding the fish. This is the most important point. The fish is 400 grams. Cut it easy to eat pieces. Cover with a drip lid. If you don't have it, use aluminum foil instead. Cook for 7 to 10 minutes. If you don't plan to eat right away, let it cool to allow the flavor to infuse the fish better. Today I will keep it on a plate with steamed vegetables. This recipe is very healthy as it does not contain sugar. The mirin I used today has been reported to have the effect of lowering blood pressure. Please give it a try.